Try this on. So doing the cabbage again. Hey, first thing I'm gonna use is Obey. Ooh.
Hey, why you be talking if you be doing voiceovers more? It seems like you like voiceovers more. Am I wrong?
So that's my, I'm just annoyed, but I don't want to do y'all like that. So I want to make my cabbage roll. Once again, second video, and then my first video deleted. But they was here, she left. But yeah, we're gonna season this cabbage roll, let you see. So the first thing I did was I put oil on it. I did, so it could stick. So we're gonna hit it with this seasoning. Make sure you season it good all around, even on the top. But yeah, season it. So this is the seasoning I use. Any seasoning you have, you use. Adobo. This is what I'm using. Adobo. Daniels. I'm using. This is lemon pepper. No salt, Tony's. Don't be scared with the seasoning. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. I guess that's how it goes. Who knows? I'm putting my mind. I got garlic salt. Slap your mama. Another Tony's. Yeah, Tony's. Season it with some more Tony's. Obey's the main thing. You can't go wrong with no Obey. But yeah, you can't go wrong with Obey. Imagine I'm putting this on the top too. So I'm just flipped over. I have paprika. This what gives it color. People be thinking it looks spicy. Nah, they use a paprika. That's what gives it the red. Put you on game. This one we gonna use is the Caesar salt. And then we're gonna use salt-free seasoning. Yes, we're gonna use that. Ooh. Then next, I'm gonna flip it over. Now I did my first one. My first one's right here. I did a video, if I freaking deleted. This is my first one. We doing two, so. And this is my second time making it. My first time I was like, this time I'm a freak it. So you see how seasoned it is at the bottom? It's not too salty, I promise. You're going to do the same on top. Make sure you season it. Don't be scared, because it needs it. Every season I just named, you just reuse it. That's it. Now the good thing about this is we have some crab legs. We have a boil. We're gonna add it to. We're gonna add this to our boil. So. Everything we use, we just reuse it. Make sure that thing seasoned. Now after we season it all, we're just going to use butter. Ooh. Cause this is gonna close like that, people. So we're gonna use the rest of this butter. I think she put away the other butter. So we use earth balanced butter. We are vegan. We do not use, we don't use that regular stuff, dairy stuff. So I'm gonna use this butter, put it in here. Boom. And then I don't think it should take that butter. Then once we put that, I'm going to use the garlic. Put some garlic on here. I love me some garlic. Right? It just has to have garlic. I'm gonna put some on the side. Garlic, garlic. After I use that, once again, like I said, no chicken broth. This is, you can use water or chicken broth, but this is no chicken broth. I'm gonna use this because last time I did use water and I prefer chicken broth. So we're just gonna pour it all in here. We're just gonna make sure it gets moist. That's it. It's not dry. Yeah. So we're just gonna do that. And this is the final results. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but it's seasoned. We're gonna close it up. We're gonna get another use some more aluminum foil. Wrap it up again. I'm just wrapping this up like that so the juice won't fall out. Boom. I'm gonna put it over here in this pan. There you go. I told y'all. And when that's done, show you the end results. I wanted this one. She took it. You about to see me eat this real quick. Broccoli I made. Here's loaded cabbage boil. I'm trying to get it. Should have got rough for it. I'm being greedy. I should cut this. There you go. It's juicy.